Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In today's video I will replace the front brake pads on the new BMW in our group, the new E36, that is especially for drift. I'm very excited that we have one more BMW, so mine is not gonna be the only one in the group. We had a small accident with this vehicle, so I will try to mount the bumper once again to protect the radiator from damage, but at the moment the car looks so cool this way. So the problem is that the front brake pads are worn and doesn't have brakes in the front, so this is one of the reasons that this thing happened. And let's start and replace the brake pads. So the old brake pads are out and they're pretty worn, as you can see. So now what I had to do to get them out was to disassemble this little spring, that piece of the brake pad caliper. So in the back there are two plastic caps that are protecting the two screws, and with torque 45 with this bit I unscrewed the two bolts over here, so this allowed me to take the caliper out and to take the brake pads out. I'm gonna just make sure that the new ones are the same, because the owner, friend of mine that is owner of the car, bought them, and I don't know if everything is okay with them. And if they are the same, I will use this tool to get the cylinder of the brake caliper back in as far as possible in its seat, because the new brake pads won't fit this way. I tried with the lever to do this procedure, but it doesn't work. At the moment I have to struggle to get this inside with if I use a crowbar, so I have the tool, why not use it? And I'm gonna use this tool to get the cylinder back inside. If that works, of course, I will assemble everything and we'll repeat the same procedure on the other side as well. These are the new brake pads, so let's see if they are gonna fit. Well, this side is done. I have one more to go, and we are gonna start dealing with the bumper probably, but that is not important. The important thing is to have brakes, so let's get to the other side. Well guys, sorry that you missed all of the disassembling part, but the battery of the camera has died. It's not like I don't manage my batteries, but one of the batteries is worn. I don't know what is going on with it, and it doesn't show how much battery life I have left, so I am shooting blank, and while I was disassembling, the battery has died and all of the footage till then were lost. I don't know why the camera didn't capture that, didn't save it, but it is what it is. So it's not a big deal. You saw me disassemble this. On the other side, on this side, brake pads are even worse than the ones on the other side, so I'm hoping that now the car, it is gonna be way better to be driven. We can do so much more when we have front brakes on it. So one thing I want to mention is that when you do a job like this, probably it is something that you would most definitely have to do, to press the brake pedal a few times before you get going with this car, because you have to have brakes. So let's finish this job. And just like that, the BMW is almost ready. The brake pads are replaced. We are gonna check the tire pressure and liquids inside of the engine and stuff. So if you think this content is interesting or helpful to you, you may consider sharing, liking, commenting the video and subscribing for my channel for more content like this. So thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay tuned, and hope to see you in my next videos. Bye for now.